I'm going to take diet first because diet is used a lot in this topic and it's a misunderstood word. So a diet, first of all, can mean the food or drink usually eaten by a person or group. So as an uncountable noun, we normally say this. It's the food you usually eat, a healthy diet. The Mediterranean diet is said to be very healthy. So it's a kind of diet eaten by a certain kind of a group of people, right? I wonder if that's... Oh, hang on a moment. Mediterranean diet is said to be very healthy. The other kind of diet is a special course of food to improve health or lose weight. Special course of food. So this is where we talk about different diets that people go on to lose weight, typically to lose weight or to improve health. Okay. She switched to a plant-based diet to improve her health. She switched to a plant-based diet to improve her health. So there are different diets. You can take like low-carb diet, low-fat diet, high-carb diet, Atkins diet. There are loads of them, right? Loads of them. He went on a special diet after his heart attack. So there are two different ways of using the word diet. Collocations, we typically say to go on a diet. To stick to a diet is to follow, to continue. A balanced diet, right, is a good diet, a good balance. Healthy diet. A crash diet is a quick diet. Crash, quick. I go on a diet every summer, for example. I go on a diet every summer. Not true, just an example. It's hard to stick to a diet. I think that's true because it's limiting the food. I try to eat a balanced diet. Good. Oh dear. Oh dear. Long story. I do apologize. I'm so sorry. I hope you're still there. My apologies. Unexpected occurrence outside, but it's sorted. Coming back. Okay. Focus. Have a drink. I hope you're still there. I wonder if anybody's still there. Have you all gone away? I was kind of in my head thinking, they'll be there, they'll be writing, they'll be practicing, repeating. I'm sure you are doing your practice. Or have a little snack. Have a healthy snack. Okay. My apologies. Thank you, Dasrell Kim. Thank you. Welcome back. Oh, dear. I apologize for that. Yeah, that was a dash diet. Yes. He literally said, one moment, laugh out loud. You're still here. Great. Thank you so much. Oh, dear. Does crash diet. Ah, right. Crash diet is a diet over a short period of time. Yes, it is. So the idea is you take something that takes a long time and you squeeze it into a shorter period of time. So normally a diet, should be, typically 8 weeks or 12 weeks. But if you do it in 2 weeks, that's a crash diet. Crash, not crush. It sounds like crush, doesn't it? And you think, well, crush makes smaller, but it's not. It's crash, as in, crash. Crash because because it never works. Crash diets just crash. They don't work. I think, again, I'm not an expert, but I'm not a fan of dieting and I'm not a fan of crash diets. Crash, right? A quick diet. So let's say done in a short period of time. Okay. Great. Wow, banana, absolutely. And a mandarin, but no time to eat it. Daniela says lots of young girls are attracted to insane diets. And do you know how much money they make from these insane diets? It's insane how much money they make. Oh, Natalia, I wish. I wish, but it's not. Believe me, how funny that would be, right? There's Keith doing a class on healthy eating and he's ordered a delivery pizza. That would be so funny. Great. You're having samosa. Ooh, now is that healthy? If it's homemade, probably healthy. Probably. I've lost 4 kilos so far while on this new diet. Well done you. Good. I wonder if you can stick to the diet. I hope you can stick to a diet. Great. Soyeon, neither. I'm having water. I'm just having water because I've got a cold. I've had a bit of a cold for a week, so I'm just having water. Staying hydrated. Okay, let's move on. Number 2, to take off. Like me, Keith took off. To become suddenly successful or popular. So we said plant-based diets have really taken off in recent years, but we can use this also with a business or a company. For example, my business has taken off these last 2 months. Again, just an example. Or my YouTube channel has taken off. You can also say to boom, to soar, to explode in popularity is really nice. You'll hear this quite a lot. So we can say veganism is booming, or veganism, with the ism, veganism is exploding in popularity. Same idea, right? Right. A hospital diet is a crash diet. No, because I think a hospital diet, it depends how long you are in the hospital. Because a hospital diet is because you're sick, right? So you have a diet adjusted to your needs. I don't think that's the same as a crash diet. Crash diet is more when you're, like in a couple of weeks, you're trying to achieve a certain goal, I think. Evil Rocker, welcome. Crash diet doesn't mean fast food. No, it means good food, healthy food. Well, it depends on the diet, but it's generally, it can be any diet. It can be fast food, it can be healthy food, it can be vegetables, but it's just in a short period of time. Good. Sandesh, I'm happy that you're happy. Yes. This is a very good explanation. Good. A crash diet is a weight loss plan that involves extreme calorie restriction with a goal of losing a large amount of weight in a short period. Nice. Keto diet is booming. I agree. It is, absolutely, for some reason. Number 3 is a new nutrient, right? So the stress on the new, and it's not new, it's new, at least in British English, new, as in a new car, nutrient. And this is a substance we need to consume to live and grow. For example, protein, fat, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. These are all nutrients. For example, a healthy diet should give you all the nutrients you need. Fruit and vegetables are full of essential nutrients. So you'll see here the common collocations: essential nutrients, protein, vitamins, rich in nutrients. This food is rich in fat, rich in protein, rich in vitamin D, and nutrient deficiencies. So the problem with a lot of diets is they lead to nutrient deficiencies. Again, my understanding, right? Because many diets restrict your food. You don't eat fat, you don't eat meat, you don't eat this, you don't eat that. And therefore, there are fewer nutrients. So you could potentially have nutrient deficiencies, which is not good for your health. So be very, very careful if you go on a diet, right? That's my advice. Okay. Elvira says processed food often lacks important nutrients. Yes, true. No, I would say you can use it in writing. Take off, definitely you can use in writing. If something has taken off, become popular. Yes, you can use that in writing. IELTS writing. Okay. In the word family, we've also got nutritional. Nutritional. So notice nutrient, but the adjective is nutritional. The stress changes to the tri. Nutritional. Sugar has no nutritional value. And yet, fast food has lots of sugar, but no nutritional value. Nutrition, as an uncountable noun, nutrition is the things you eat as food. Good nutrition is essential for babies, of course. And a nutritionist, you can get the ist is the person, a nutritionist, a person who specializes in nutrition. That's what we need today. We do need a nutritionist to guide us. Daniela says citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Very, very true. Very true, yes. Is it true that spinach is rich in vitamin D? I don't know, but I like your English. BBH, welcome. Nice to see you. Full of nutrients? Not really. I think it's still, I know what you mean because full of sounds informal, but still it can be written. Soft drinks have no nutritional value. I agree. Okay. And the last one, to cut down on. So to cut down on, we talked about this, is to reduce the amount of something. It's used for food, drink, or habits. For example, many people are trying to cut down on sugar to live healthier lives. Cut down on sugar to live healthier lives. Okay. Similar words: to reduce, to limit, to scale back on something. Collocations: cut down on meat, cut down on sugar, cut down on caffeine. Screen time, you mentioned phones, cut down on screen time. You can also say that, right? For example, I need to cut down on meat. You should cut down on smoking. So you can use a thing as a noun or the action as a noun. Smoking. Yes, I think I've deserved a banana. I'm so hungry. Oh, interesting. Tell him to come and join us. All vegetables and also fish. Yes, are rich. Yeah. Vegetables and also fish are rich in nutrients. Yes. Esma, thank you so much. Cut down and cut off. Well, cut down is, as we said, is when you cut down a tree. Cut down. Cut down on is when you reduce the quantity. Cut off is when you cut off the connection, for example, or cut off the relationship. I've cut off all contact with my Uncle Tony. I don't like my Uncle Tony. I've cut off all contact. Or if you're on the phone and the line cuts off, it disconnects. Okay, interesting question. I cut down to use social media. That may be a waste of time. Yes, let me help you here a little bit. You're almost there. So instead of to, you want to say, I cut down on and then using. I cut down on using social media. That may be a waste of time. Okay, much better. Nice, good. I want to cut down on late night sleep. Great, good.